Good evening, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm just changing the Toyota Prius angle sensor. I bought a used ones, and I've just followed the instruction from a YouTube channel, and it looks very straightforward. The only thing I'm not sure is obviously this is a second-hand one I bought, so the angle sensor was already swinging around. It was moving around. It was moving around like this. Can you see? So I found it was because it's a second-hand one. It was posted by Mail, and it was already moving around. So I'm not sure whether it's supposed to be here or whether I just got a non-returnable clock. I've got no idea. Yeah, but I think maybe we can check on this one. This is a damaged one. We'll keep on clocking it and see if it stops at any time. So yeah, so the angle sensor, it does seem to have an end. So this is a hand, so it can't go more. So then I'll turn it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just stopped. So it means I need to turn it 3 times to get to the midpoint. 1, 2, 2.5. So I think we're gonna have to do the same thing for this one. So we have to find the last position. So when we get the last position, it will stop. So this is the last position. It has stopped. Then to push back, it means I need now 2.5. 1, 2, and this should be the center. This should be the center now. So obviously there are lots of videos on YouTube. They showed you how to put back the angle sensor, but I recommend that you check the center to make sure you put back. So it's more like the squib, the gear. It's more like a squib. Oh, sorry, this is a squib actually. This is a squib for the airbag. So it's very important that you turn. So let me explain once again. So after you have replaced a squib, yeah, you need to turn now. You need to go to the point where it stops moving. So at this point, the squib has stopped moving. Now I need to bring it back to halfway, and I know I need to count how many times to turn to go back to stop again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just stopped. So to get to center, I need to turn 2.5 times. 1, 2, 3, and no, sorry, I overshoot. So 2.5 times. 1, 2, and this will be the center. This is the bottom. This is the top one. So that's what I've done. Yeah. So to get right again, online there's no confusion. So basically, the angle sensor assembly comes together with the squib, and it's very important. The squib, you turn it 5 times. Otherwise, if you don't turn it 5 times and find the center, it means when you put it back, you're likely to get it wrong, and it's not right, and you just lose your money. Okay guys, so hopefully I have contributed something. Otherwise, taking it out, it was straightforward. You had to remove this parts underneath the steering. Then after removing that, you should see the airbag springs. This one, the airbag spring, I had to do it. I had to push this one out, and I had to push it backwards, and the airbag was able to come out. To push back in, I have to make sure that the pin has been put back in place, so the airbag can just go in. And the rest, I'll just have to put back the steering, and hopefully things should work. If it doesn't work, I'll put in a comment the reason. Okay guys, thank you, bye.